Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Lite beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Shopify Lite, start by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Enter your email address, password, and store name in the registration form. Click on Create Your Store to proceed. Once your store is created, you will be directed to your Shopify dashboard. Here, click on the Settings option located at the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, select Plan and Permissions. Scroll down to find the Change Plan section. Choose the Shopify Lite plan from the available options. Click on Choose this plan to initiate the payment process. Enter your payment details as required. Review your information and confirm your purchase. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now, return to your Shopify dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Sales Channels section. Click on the plus icon to add channels. Select Buy button from the options available. Follow the prompts to create your first Buy button. Customize the Buy button according to your preferences. Once you finish customizing, click on Generate Embed Code. Copy the generated code to your clipboard. Now, go to your website or blog where you want to embed the Buy button. Paste the code into the HTML of your site where you want the button to appear. Save the changes to your website. Visit your site to confirm that the Buy button is visible and functioning. With these steps, you have successfully installed Shopify Lite. Explore the various features and options available to optimize your online selling experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.